Sattriya tradition, since it was introduced by Srimanta Sankardeva in the 15th century, with dance being an integral part, has still remained a living tradition in Assam. Began as a part of the bhakti movement, in which the unique dance and its accompanying music offer respect to Krishna by showcasing mythological tales and episodes. Sattriya dance has been developed and practiced as a cultural heritage in Assam's Vaishnava monasteries. Known as sattras, these monasteries have been considered as the center of Assamese culture for the past 500 years. Uttar Kamalabari Sattra is one of the prominent Vaishnava monasteries in Majuli Island in Assam. It has remained as a center of culture, art, literature, and classical studies for many long years and even continues to do so. Performing art presentation by the monks of Uttar Kamalabari Sattra is a major attraction to the visitors to the river island Majuli. This dance form is dedicated to Lord Krishna. It is an art form that is a part of a prayer during ceremonies performed by the monks.